What we do is we're actually interested in learning why musical instruments sound like they do, how to make them better, and to explore the science behind what actually makes music. In addition to that, we also develop these techniques for looking at, in our case, musical instruments. We're really interested in looking at vibrations. So we also publish regularly new ideas on how to actually watch things vibrate. And part of that also is a project we're working on trying to find buried landmines. And again, using laser technology to do that. We're using lasers to look at vibrations in musical instruments. Well, if you can make the landmine vibrate, then you can see the ground above it move. So what we're doing is actually looking at ways to look for ground motion, and then all we need to do is make the landmine vibrate. It turns out that's very easy. You just take a very loud sound and you point it toward the landmine, and the landmine starts to vibrate, which makes the ground vibrate, and if we can detect those vibrations, we can find the landmine. Some of the interesting things about these are that you learn information, you learn science that can actually be transferred to other problems. We're going to continue with the musical acoustics because it's interesting, it's fun, and we learn some basic physics. I am going to continue with the landmine work, not particularly because it's interesting or fun, but because in that case there's an application that I think has global implications.